Hey there folks, my name is Luke. Welcome to this episode of the Outdoor Gear Review, where it's time for some viewer mail. Now it's right after Christmas and I have a couple of presents here, I guess you could say. Let me go ahead and say to all of the viewers, thank you all so much for supporting the channel, supporting myself, my wife, and so on. You guys are just awesome. The feedback from you all is amazing. So right here I got this box from my good buddy Nathan. Nathan, thank you so much, man. You are so awesome. You are a great young man. You really are. So I have to say, this one's for you, Nathan. What's in the box? What's in the box? Of course, a big thank you goes out to the family as well. I got a Christmas present here. What do we got? Merry Christmas. Chris and Jessica, Nathan and Samantha. You guys are all rock stars, all stars. Beautiful family. What the heck are these? Oh, snap. Now, Susie, she wanted to be here today, but she was homeschooling Lucas. But she said thank you as well. These little cookies, they absolutely rock. There's nothing like this in the United States that I'm aware of. Maybe these are from the United States. I really don't know. Let's see, where's the box at? I mean, they're definitely a European cookie. East Hanover, New Jersey. So, maybe not. I don't know. Either way, cheers, everybody. Oh my gosh, that's so freaking awesome. That's so good. It's like a soft cake, almost a cookie, almost, with like orange jelly and chocolate on it. I will probably eat the entire sleeve for lunch. Merry Christmas, Luke and Susan. Happy New Year. Love, Nathan and Chris, Jess, and Samantha. You guys are so awesome. Susie and I, we are very, very lucky. Thank you guys so much, really. Let's see. We have 4 boxes of coffee. Oh my gosh. Taster's Nasty French Roast. We got another box of that, and my all-time favorite. Yeah. Say it with me, folks. Taster's Nasty puts hair on your face. Taster's Nasty puts hair all over the place. Nathan, you and your family are really appreciated. Thank you guys so much. Susan and I have loved talking with you guys. Yeah. Yep. Very, very special. Very, very special. Moving on, we have a package here from Jason. What's in the envelope? What is in the envelope? We'll start with the letter first. Let's see here. Luke and Susie. Please try this bio coffee if you get a chance. Each pack makes 1 cup. Supposedly it's healthy for you. Okay, so we have 4 packs of, it's called bio coffee, the only alkaline coffee on the market. Now, Susie, she knows all about alkaline this and that, the body and so on. From what I understand, if you have an alkaline body, cancer can't grow or something like that. Susie, like I said, she would know more than I do about this, but check that out. Alkaline coffee, bio coffee, Jonesboro, Georgia. So what makes it bio? I need to do some research because I really have no idea what that means. How do you make something alkaline? How do you, I don't know. But anyways, bio coffee, that's awesome. You guys know that I love coffee, obviously. So to Jason, to Nathan and your family, you guys are so greatly appreciated. Thank you all so much for everything. You guys are definitely getting this year off to an awesome start. An awesome start. Everybody, take care, strength and honor. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. See you guys around.